Transferring points to airlines is where you unlock maximum value, but the process can seem mysterious. Let me demystify it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, log into your Amex account and find Transfer Points under the Membership Rewards section. You'll see a list of airline and hotel partners, like British Airways, Air Canada Aeroplan, and Hilton. Select your partner, enter your frequent flyer number, and choose how many points to transfer. Most transfers happen almost instantly, but some can take 1 to 2 days. My crucial pro tip: always check transfer bonuses. Amex regularly runs promotions offering bonus points when you transfer to specific partners, like a 20 to 30% bonus. Never transfer points unless there's a bonus or you have an immediate, specific redemption in mind. This patience can get you thousands of extra miles for free. Master this step to travel in luxury for less. Which airline partner do you transfer to most often? Delta, British Airways, or another? For more advanced point strategies, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.